First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it's beginning to warm up a little bit better than it has in previous days, even though we started out in the teens again this morning. We're going to end up in the mid-40s, but with that warmer air will come some moisture. And eventually by tonight, we'll begin to see some rain moving in, and some of you could even see a little winter mix. Let's take a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. Still seeing nothing in the way of precipitation yet. It's going to take a while longer before it begins to move into the area, but you're seeing evidence of moisture, at least in the upper atmosphere. We've got the satellite view turned on here on top of the radar, so you can see in some of these darker areas back to the west and southwest, that's where the cloud cover is beginning to thicken up. And as we go through the rest of the afternoon, you're going to starting to see less in the way of sunshine, more in the way of cloud cover as we go through the day. That's that advancing system. Here's a look at temperatures right now, courtesy of the Mesonet network, and we're still seeing near freezing temperatures up around Calhoun at 34 at this hour. And you start to see upper 30s to low 40s as you head further south and east. Winds are coming up out of the south and east, and that's helping things warm up a bit at around 10 miles per hour. So it's not too bad out there. At least it feels a little bit warmer today than it did yesterday. A look at those high clouds now moving across Bowling Green and over the hill at Western from our live Doppler cam. Currently 42 degrees, but it feels like it's 36 thanks to that south wind at around 10 miles per hour. But a very dry dew point and low humidity levels here at the surface means it's going to take a while before the atmosphere begins to saturate a little bit more. But with that incoming southern stream, that moisture that's coming in, that will change as we go through this evening and tomorrow. In Greenville right now, Muhlenberg County, courtesy of our AAA Systems Weather Cam network, you're looking at 39 degrees, but with that little bit of a south wind, it feels like it's 35. As we head to Franklin and Simpson County, you're at 39 with a mostly cloudy sky. Litchfield, you're seeing some of those same high clouds as we look down US 62 and 259. You're at 38 degrees, but it feels like it's 33. And then north to Munfordville, it's 40 and partly cloudy with a feels like temperature of 37. 41 at the airport, 28 up the interstate to Indianapolis, 43 down the interstate to Huntsville, Alabama. Most everybody running well below average for this time of the year, but at least today we're running 16 degrees warmer than we were at midday just yesterday, but that's not going to last. In fact, we've got northern stream energy coming in with that southern stream system, and they're going to meet right over the Ohio River Valley, and you see a number of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories that have been posted mainly north of Kentucky, north of the Ohio rivers, where we think we'll see the worst of this next winter storm as it makes its way off to the north and east. Bowling Green, southern Kentucky, much of the viewing area, not to worry about this system. This is going to be mainly a rainmaker for us beginning tonight, but you see the moisture beginning to develop here, especially over the Missouri Ozarks, and some of that is rain, but then you see some of the purples and the blue shadings there. That's a mix of precipitation, and sometimes there's a little bit of snow mixed in. And as we get into tonight, as the southern stream energy begins to move in, we'll see cloudy skies and maybe a light period of rain or even some sleet mixed in at times. But as that next area of low pressure moves in, it interjects a little bit of warmer air, and during the day tomorrow, a chilly rain for the most part for southern Kentucky. North of us, it will be some snow, and it could end as a brief period of snow tomorrow afternoon, but I don't think we're going to get much out of that. Increasing clouds as we're seeing now, warmer 45 this afternoon, then down to 35 tonight. Rain could be mixed with a little sleet or snow showers, slushy stuff to the north of us. Then back to all rain tomorrow with 44. Ending as a brief period of snow showers tomorrow night. No accumulation expected. Then a chilly day for Sunday, a high of only 33, but a nice warming trend coming for next week. Stay with us. We'll have more Midday Live in just a minute.